Hello? Morning. This is from Service Department. This is Adrian speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. Can I order for my breakfast?
Certainly, ma'am. But before I take your order, do you have your menu? It is located on the table beside your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. May I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Ray Taymor and my room number is 124.
Okay, ma'am. If you're ready to order, may I take your order now?
Can I order a continental breakfast? 1 regular coffee and 1 muffin.
Okay, ma'am. May I suggest to you our orange juice? It also under in your continental of breakfast. Would you like me to add it in your breakfast, ma'am?
No thanks.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order? You order 1 regular coffee and 1 muffin for your breakfast. Did I get your orders right, ma'am?
Yes, it's correct.
Okay, ma'am. Are you paying cash or charge it to your room?
Just check it on the
Okay, ma'am. Your order will be served in 15 minutes. Is there anything else that I can do for you, ma'am?
No thanks.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you and have a nice day. Room service. Room service. Room service. Good morning, ma'am. Are you Darren Camayor from room number 124?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Here's your room service order. May I come in?
Yes, please come in.
Excuse me, ma'am. Should I leave the food in your tray or do you want me to put it on your table?
Just put it on my table, please.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you want me to open your curtain to brighten up your room?
Yes, please.
By the way, ma'am, here's your meal and your regular coffee and your muffin. By the way, I am Adrian, your room service attendant for today. Is there anything else that I can help with you, ma'am?
Nothing.
Okay, ma'am. When do you want me to come back to take your soiled dishes?
After 1 hour, please.
Okay, ma'am. If you're ready, just call us and dial 111. Thank you. Enjoy your meal and have a nice day.